Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel an order on Talabat. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Talabat application, which of course I've done right here. Now the next thing is, how can you download the Talabat app? You can get it on Google Play Store or Apple Store depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Talabat. Now follow through the on-screen instructions to install. After installing the app, it's going to take you right into the sign up page, where you're going to be asked to either log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Talabat. So now here, let's quickly hop into today's tags, and that is how to cancel an order on Talabat. For you to cancel an order, it means you have to contact customer support. And how do you get that help? From this homepage, head over to the bottom of your screen where you have Home, Search, Others, Account. Go ahead and click on Account and it takes you over here. Now in here you have Rewards, Your Orders, Talabat Pay, Vouchers, Talabat Pro, Get Help, and About App. Go ahead and click on Get Help and it takes you into this window where you have a couple of options: My Orders, I Can't Place Orders, Payments, My Support Requests, T-Pro Subscriptions, Rewards, Cancellation Policy, and COVID-19 Precautions. Go ahead and click on My Order. Now click on Past Orders. Select any order of your choice, and once you select any order of your choice, go ahead and click on the cancel button and let them know that you want to cancel the order. And once you click on cancel, let them know that you want to cancel your order, and they're going to help you with the step-by-step processes on how to cancel your order. So this is pretty much the process. You can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.